Okay, this is a Holland gravity gravity gas furnace, which means there's no blower in this thing. It's probably from the 40s or 50s. And imagine this thing here, standing pilot. You light it, and then you call for heat. The 24 volts goes through the 24 volts up on the step-down transformer through these wires. Transfers from this wire, goes to the thermostat when it's calling for heat, and then power goes through these guys here to open the pilot. As long as it's pilot light's lit, it will continue on. It will open the gas valve, and this one here is buzzing. When you hook these together, you can hear the solenoid buzzing. It's not operating perfectly, so it shouldn't be buzzing. So we'll put a new gas valve on and see if it will work. That's what our goal is today. This is Dave Evans. I'm the HVAC guy from Fostoria, Ohio. It's I think it's December 28th, 2017, and we are going to install a gas valve. Call me if you need help with yours. 419-326-6000. It's 6,000. Okay, have a good day.